Hello everyone, welcome. Today I will discuss refraction of light of class 10 physics. Light. Light travels with different speeds in different media. So, there is change in speed of light when light travels from one medium to another. So, from one medium to another medium. If light travels from one medium to another medium, there is change in the speed of light. Light travels faster in air, and speed of light in air is 3 multiplied 10 to the power 8 meter per second. Light travels faster in air than in compared to water, glass. So light travels faster in air than in water or glass. So depending on this property of light, that it changes its speed when it travels from one medium to another, we can define two mediums: optically denser medium and optically rarer medium. Now, what is the difference between these two medium, children? In optically denser medium, a medium is said to be optically denser if the speed of light decreases. So, in optically denser medium, speed of light decreases, or we can say light slows down in optically denser medium. In optically rarer medium is a medium in which speed of light increases, which means light speeds up. So when light travels in denser medium, its speed decreases, it slows down, and when light travels in optically rarer medium, its speed increases, or we can say that the speed of light speeds up. So children, this is the cause for refraction of light, because the speed of light changes when it travels from one medium to another. So this is the reason why the light refracts when light travels from one medium to another. Now, refraction of light. The change in direction of the path of light when it passes from one transparent medium to another transparent medium is called refraction of light. So, what happens when light travels from one medium to another medium? There is change in the direction of the path of light, and this phenomenon is known as refraction of light. Suppose this is a surface, suppose S dash is a surface separating two medium. Suppose this is medium 1 and this is medium 2. This is suppose a normal line perpendicular to this surface. This is a normal, and O is the point where a light ray is incident. This is point of incidence, and this ray is known as incident ray. This ray is incident at this point of incidence on the surface S dash. So this is incident ray. Now this is normal, NOM, which is normal at the point of incidence O. Now what happens when light travels from this medium 1 to the another medium 2? The direction of light changes. It should have gone like this. If there is no change in medium, the path of light should have been like this. But because there is change in medium, the ray of light changes its direction of path. And this angle is known as angle of refraction, and this ray is known as refracted ray. Similarly, the angle which this incident ray makes with the normal, this angle is known as angle of incidence. Now, when light travels from one medium to another medium, a part of light gets reflected also, obeying the laws of reflection. What is the laws of reflection, children? That angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. So obeying those laws of reflection, a part of light gets reflected also, and a partial of light gets refracted. This is incident ray, this is reflected ray, this is refracted ray. So at the boundary separating the two medium, light suffers a partial reflection and partial refraction. Now let us suppose this is a surface separating two media. This is rarer medium and this one is denser medium, and light is traveling from this rarer medium to the denser medium. Again, NOM is normal. It is normal at the point of incidence O. AO is incident ray. And OB is refracted ray. What happens, children? This incident ray of light is incident at this point of incidence, and when it travels from this rarer medium to denser medium, this ray of light bends towards the normal. So there is change in the path of light. It should have gone like this, but because there is change in the medium, it bends, and it bends towards the normal. So when light travels from rarer to denser medium, there is bending of light towards the normal. This R represents angle of refraction, and this I represents angle of incidence. Now when the light travels from this rarer medium to denser medium, there is change in the speed of light, and due to that change in the speed of light, the path of the incident light gets bent, and the refracted light is towards the normal. Now if suppose the light travels from denser medium to rarer medium, then in that case, this is incident ray, this is normal, this is surface separating the two medium. In that case, the incident ray will get refracted, and that will be away from the normal. So when a ray of light travels from a denser to rarer medium, in that case it bends away from the normal. So children, when ray of light travels from rarer to denser medium, it bends, the light ray bends towards the normal, and when the light ray travels from denser to rarer medium, it bends away from the normal. So there will be, when the light ray travels from one medium to another, from rarer to denser, suppose in that case the speed of light changes. In denser medium, what happens, children? The speed of light slows down. And so when a ray of light travels from denser to rarer medium, it bends away from the normal. Now suppose, children, if the ray of light is incident normally on the surface like this, making an angle 90 degree. So this is normal, and if the incident ray is normally on the surface of separating the two medium, this is one medium and this is medium 1, this is medium 2. In that case, the light ray passes undeviated. That means angle of incidence is 0 degree and angle of refraction is also 0 degree. So the ray of light, if it is incident normally on the surface, it passes undeviated. Now, what is the cause of refraction, children? So, what is the cause? When a ray of light passes from one medium to another, its direction changes. And what is the cause of this change in the direction of the path of light? It is because of the change in the speed of light. So children, that's all for today. Thank you.